Hi, welcome back to Hostbox CA channel and back to Java series, the fundamentals of Java and exclusive tutorial for Java beginners who want to learn and improve the knowledge in Java programming language. And today we are going to this is a topic called regular expression in Java, regex, or you can say shortly regex in Java. The previous session I explained about the interface in Java, how to demonstrate and how to implement the interface in Java and with real-time examples also. Today we are going to see the regular expressions as well as followed by some examples, real-time examples also. So today's session definitely help you to learn the following topics. What is a regular expression, then what is the regular expression in Java, and also what is the use of java.util.regex, and followed up by the topics called matcher class, pattern class, regex characteristic class, regex quantifiers, regex meta characters with some examples, and also execute the program also. Okay, now we have to go for what is yet get idea about what is expression, regular expression in programming languages. A regular expression is nothing but is a special sequence of characters that helps you to match or find other strings or set of strings using a specialized syntax held in a pattern, and also they can be used to search, edit or manipulate text and data. So now you may have a question about already strings. We handled a lot of string functions. No, why we need expression? Because strings not sufficient. When you do some operations and moreover exclusive some operation something, the limitation of strings is not supporting. That's a reason only we are going to extend the Java program with the help of regular expression. So strings not sufficient, string handling, and we already discussed it in the 2-3 sessions. Okay, so we go for regular expression, and moreover what you can say means regular expressions, or you can say regex in short. You can say it is an API, application programming interface. API stands for API for defining string patterns that can be used for searching, manipulating and editing a string in Java. So what can you do with what we can do with the regular expression, and how to implement regular expression in Java programming? Because these are one where if you want to search a text in the data, text or character or numbers or something, anything in the given program, you can use the regular expression concept. And also where in the real-time example where it can means especially for email validation and passwords or a few areas of strings where regex are widely used to define the constraints. You know all of it today. Email means what you can you have to set the password as a 8 or 9, 10, 8 or more than characters, where there will be a combination should be there, not only name characters, it may be alphanumeric or numeric and combination of special characters and so on. So when I use like this, we need support of regular expressions, and also these are provided under. How do you implement means if you want to use a regular expression in Java programming, we need support of the package called java.util.regex package. Remember, and also this package, especially whenever run any program, we need support of this package as java.util.regex, and also this concept three classes on one interface. One interface. Let's go for see this classes and meaning also. So here there are three classes just now told you. One class called util.regex.pattern and another class called util.regex as matcher, and another one is pattern syntax expression. First one util.regex pattern for used for defining patterns, and also util.regex as matcher that is used for performing match operations on text using patterns, and also another one pattern syntax expression that means used for indicating syntax error in a regular expression pattern. So you know this one for just define. If you want define pattern, suppose for example I have a pattern that means in the text ABC, that is called pattern. So ABC I am giving, or I am giving AB 1 2 3. What I am giving defining for the user, that is called patterns here. And also matcher used for performing match operations on text using patterns. For example, I have A B C D. I want to search A and B. We can go and search. That time we need subta match. Whether you want to search AB, the AB and what are the ABCD both are matching or not. If matches available, either single character or you can various ways will be there checking matching the elements. So if available, it will say true, otherwise not. It will say false only. Then pattern is syntax expression. Sometimes we are using because this is used to indicate a syntax error in a regular expression. Suppose we are writing a program where we are writing a code, we are finding the matches or something. Some mistake happened means similar to exception handling. It is a special file. It will intimate the class. It intimate what error you are doing like this. Mismatch errors. And just now I told you there will be match result interface. We need means because this interface is used to determine the result of a match operation for a regular expression. So determine the result of a match operation for a regular expression. And also there are different methods of using Java regex. Let's go see the one by one. One is called match class, where this class is used to perform match operations on a character sequence. So single character or double character, and so on, more than that also. Let's go for some method and description here. One method called boolean matches, another method called boolean find, another method called boolean find int start, and string group int start in the end. Many things there. I'm going to say just important methods here. First one, boolean matches. Why we need means, because we are going to see just some programs also. First one, boolean matches. This is test. It always tests whether the given regular expression matches the pattern or not. So ABC giving ABC, or you want to check only A and ABC pattern, ABC in the pattern. So you can compare like that. And boolean find. It is used to find next expression that matches the pattern also. Then boolean find int start. That means such as the next expression that matches the pattern from the given start number. So for example, in the pattern you have 0 to 9 numbers and some text will be there. In the 0 to 9 you can search from the starting of the program. Then string group. It is used to return the matched subsequence. And int start it returns the starting index of the matched subsequence. At last int end, it returns the ending end of the index of the matched subsequence. So let's go for a second one, and directly go for example. There you can get more idea. Next one is pattern class. Here it's what is pattern class here in regex of Java, because it is a compiled version of regular expression which is used to define the pattern for regular engine also. Method, some of the method description. First one, static pattern compile string regex space in the brackets. That means it compiles the given regex and returns the instance of the pattern also. Then matcher space matcher character sequence input. So you know Java is a case sensitive language where based on the method here to give where capital letter, where small letter, where to give small letter. Otherwise you will say mismatch error, pattern error like that. Pattern match error. Then here it is used to create matcher that matches the given input with the pattern. So suppose you are giving some input and you can already in the pattern ABC you are giving the input as ABC to go and compare, or else in the pattern here ABC you are going to search XYZ, so both are not matching, it will say the result false like that. Then static boolean matches of string regex character sequence input. It works as a combination of compile and match methods. It compiles the regular expression and matches the given input with the pattern. So compilation will do, or after that you check the matches of the pattern also. If matches available, it will go and print the answer. Otherwise not, print the output here. Then string pattern, it helps to return the regex pattern. So let's go for some real examples here, demonstration also. 2 examples, then come out here. Back to the personalization later. So here we have 2 simple programs. First program, just now I told there are 2-3 methods to check the pattern matches. So first I am starting the program with package import space java.util.regex multiplies. Then I am writing the program example 1, that is public class regex example 1, then public static void main, and first way I am going to use that method. I am going to write pattern my p is equal to pattern dot compile of dot s. That means single character. Remember, when I give dots single dot come, that means represent the single character. And also matcher m is equal to p dot matcher of s. Just we discuss about the methods. Then boolean b is equal to m dot matches. So what is this of boolean? You know, boolean is a method where always say either true or false. If matches available, it say true. Otherwise, it say false. So here pattern p, pattern dot compile. So I am going to check whether dot is available in the not, and as matcher in the where I have to check matcher in the AS. So in the AS, in the second character is yes available. So mostly it will print true only. Then second way, another way to use the boolean method here, that is boolean b2 is equal to pattern dot compile of dot s, and then dot matcher of AS dot matches. And third way, boolean b3 is equal to pattern dot matches of dot s comma AS. So here also it is available. See, in the AS dot is available. If suppose if AX means not available. So at last system dot out print b plus empty quotes and plus b2 plus empty quotes plus b3. So at last it will print the result of the matches, whether matches available some information, otherwise not. So remember, you can follow any method for matching the given expression. So let's go for a demonstration. I use the online compiler. So simple and easy. So don't forget, when I use the regex, you have to use the package called java.util.regex.multiplies. Yes. So successfully executed. So the result is what here? True, true, true. Because here, when you want to deliver option, you can go and change. You can runtime can change the values. So because AS in the AS this is available. So if you give some other, suppose dot S, suppose you are searching dot Y, it is said false because the dot Y is not available in the given strings or given expression concept, expression program here. Then next program. Next program you just know. So here also very simple program where import java.util.regex.multiplies, then public class regex example 2 and followed by public static void main. Then I am writing system.sop pattern.matches of s comma as. So if you are all, because here second character yes, it will say, it will go and print the result true. And another letter I am writing, another statement I am writing, SOP pattern.matches of .s comma mk. Here it is a false because the dot is not in m and k, that first character and second character. Then another SOP I am writing pattern.matches of .s comma mst. So you know here also has more than 2 characters. So here it will go and check within 2 characters, not more than 2 characters, not possible such the pattern here. Then so it is a false. Then SOP pattern.matches of .s comma amms. Here false because here also we are using more than 2 characters. If at all 2 character and below 2 character, it go and search the method. If you want to beyond it, you can need some another method also. Then last SOP pattern.matches of .s comma mas. True. Why? Because here third character is s here. So third character is what? S is available. So it will say print true only. So let's go for execution. So don't forget, you can mainly go and fetch the data of go and check the data of first character, or else 2 characters possible in the regular expression. So just is going to print true or false like that. So yes, so successfully execute the program. There is no error here, compile error here. So it's saying first one true, second one false, and third one false because more than 2 characters we can check in at a time in the Java programming regular expression concept, and again false at last true. You can give like this also, dot is also possible. It will go and search the character. Okay, so it's showing the output properly. Right, back to presentation here. See next one, rejects character class. Here some of the character class will be there. What is the character class and meaning? In the square bracket you can give ABC. That means what? It's a simple class. It go on description A comma B or C like that. And square bracket mod symbol ABC. That means any character except ABC or C negation. This is called negation. So that means what? We are going to search in the, so for example, the pattern you have a ABC, D means. So except ABC, what is the D available? It go and print the D only. Then A minus Z and continuously A minus Z capital letter, small letter capital, that means A through Z or A through Z inclusive range. Then A minus D, the again square bracket, A minus B again close square bracket and close bracket, where A through to D or M through P colon A minus D M minus D union. At last A minus Z and then in the square bracket def of, that is D comma R F intersection. So some of the things are complicated. We are just for small example where you apply the character class, some character classes. So as a beginner, you can practice more programs in the free time. Let's go for a third program, simple program. So how to use that character class? Here I start with the package regex, then public class character example I am writing, then public stack followed by public static void main string arguments of, then so I am going to use SOP pattern.matches of XYZ comma WBCD. So you know this both are not matching. It is not X or not Y or not Z. The meaning is, so it may try to print the false answer. Then SOP pattern.matches of XYZ comma X. So here what here the X value available, even though what happen means X available here, and false X and Y comes more than once here. Then SOP pattern.matches of XYZ comma in double indented comma I am giving XY XS followed by Y and Z close brackets and so on. So like that I am giving means what is the result for the demonstration of character class program. Mostly it by false true or true false like that. So simple and easy. In the runtime, if you want to can change the output, yeah, just now told you yes, successfully executed. So it printing the result of first is false and next is true because the x is available in the XYZ. Then just we are giving the ABC format as we discussed now. And also last false because we can't check again x and y values in the same pattern and regular expression here. More than 2-3 times this means we will get false result only. Let's back to presentation here. Next, rejects qualifiers. These are rejects quantifiers. These are the quantifiers specify the number of occurrences of a character. So here description x question mark means what? X occurs once or not at all. Remember, x plus means x occurs once or more times, and x multiplies. X occurs 0 or more times, and x open brace, open curve, curly bracket, and n and close curly bracket. Then x occurs in n times only, and x in open curly brackets, open floor brackets n comma, then close curly bracket or close floor brackets. Then x occurs n or more times. So let's go for small example. You understand here better way. Here there will be a program 4. I just giving SOP. So simple, and just we are going to check the expression only. So don't scare, just SOP. If you want, you can cut some lines also here. Reduce the coding also. So you know, just now told you just demonstration of rejects quantifiers followed by package and program name, public static void main. Then SOP. I'm going to write the statement question mark quantifier. Then it will go and print SOP that only. And I'm going to give AR YR Z comes one time or not. So SOP pattern that matches of A Y Z and question mark and followed by double quotes, then comma A. Then output what happened in this one? A is available or not? Yes, available. So it will go and print the output true only. Then SOP another match again I'm going to check it. Pattern dot matches of SOP A Y set off. Then I'm going to check A. The triple time I'm giving A. What will happen? Let's see execution. And then A Y Z comes more than one time. Then SOP pattern dot matches of again A Y Z question mark. Then I'm going to check A Y Z. What is the output? It may come false. Just now I told you, if you want to check A Y Z comes more than one time, not possible. Only one time you can check in the given program. Then A comes more than one time. Here also same A Y Z of AMNTA. So it will say false. Or like this you can continue. And plus quantifier. When you give plus quantifier, it go and print it. Again I am giving SOP pattern dot matches of AYZ plus comma A output true because this is another method plus quantifier method. Then again I am giving SOP AYZ plus of AA. The output will become true. Then like that I can give AMN plus AA output. You can go and check it all the one. So I don't repeat again read all the lines here. So as a beginner you know what is string handling and what is expression, what is the class, what is the object, what is constructor and everyone. So let's go SOP, use the question mark quantifier method and also here plus quantifier and so on, check the results. So mostly it will be true false and like this in output. Yeah. So first it printed true false and false followed by and plus quantifier it be true false and plus quantifier true, like that. So patiently you can check, and more I am repeating, whenever you want you can change the values in the runtime. So you can check whether if matches not found it will say false only. Whenever match found it will say true only. This back to presentation and last one. Next one, rejects match meta characters. This is also one of the one where always providing the shortcuts. Here dot single dot means what? It can be character, that means may or may not match terminator. And D is a small d means represent any digits that is short of 0 to 9, and capital D where represent any non-digit that is short for in the square bracket mod operate 0 to 9. So this shortcuts you can use rejects meta characters in the Java programming when you use the implement the rejects concept. Then the small w for, so capital S this for it can be a non-white space character, and also W for it can be a word character, and capital W for represent any non-character short for in the mod operator W, like that. At last followed with B represent a word boundary. Let's go a small example and demonstration also. So same here also we are just using SOP. True or false values mostly. Yes. Here I am writing the program where program name meta character example. Then SOP I am writing meta characters D like that. You go and print. Then now I want to print non-digit method, so I am writing SOP of pattern dot matches of D, comma ABC output false because the D is not in the ABC. Then this comes digit and comes once method, so I am writing SOP of SOP pattern dot matches of D, comma 1 output is 2 because here is available. Then digit but comes more than once, that means SOP pattern dot matches of D, comma 333 output false. So like that we can go and check the program. So SOP meta characters D, it will go and print it, and again I am applying the concept is a digit or not, so I am writing D, comma 1 and D output is false, like that will come. And also here system dot SOP of meta characters D with quantifiers, so I can give SOP of pattern dot matches of D asterisk symbol, comma ABC, so it will say true only. So let's go for execution. So where email and password validation, we require help of Java applications here like this. Reject the questions. Let's go for execution. Yeah. So successfully executed. So whatever given SOP printing and result followed by false false and false false at last false also. So I'm again repeating, if you want to, as a programmer, if you want, you can give some values, and runtime you can give character instead of number, you can give character, whatever you want you can do it, go and find the matching whether it's available or not. I hope that you understand session what is the expression and what is the regular expression in the what is the regular expression in the programming languages, and what is a regular expression in Java, why we are using and implementing the regular expression the real time also with the help of match class, like that match rejects quantifiers, just character class, pattern class, match interface where java dot util dot rejects, and classes and implementation methods, various methods and the users, like that. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and stay with the social media, connect with social media. Please comment anything wrong means. Thank you.